So this one here, Trichocereus arboricola. It's hidden in the most distant area of the garden because it's so fertile that I'm worried it could potentially pollinate all other plants. But yeah, look at how many flowers there are. Totally crazy. And yeah, I usually keep it away, far away from all the other plants. For obvious reasons. If you have this one in the greenhouse and it's flowering, there's no chance it will pollinate something. Absolutely incredibly fertile plant. This is just one plant. It's a big plant, but look at this. I mean, this is just insane.